Okay, this time I will gonna to interfacing the joystick or analog joystick. With this you can see on the stick of PlayStation or the computer on or laptop. So if you play the game like on football, so you must likely use this, and this is analog. Okay, this have 5 ports. You can see it's ground, power, VRI and VR Y and SV. So the data will show on the LCD. It's X and Y coordinate of the X and Y. Okay, let's try. If I move the joystick on the top direction like this, okay, you can see, and I release again, right and down, and the left, and the center. The center will turning on the indicator of the one of the Arduino light. I turn off again. We click on the center. You can use this joystick as to control the motor PC on the drone, so you can create by your own idea. Okay, thank you.